Hello everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you this topic, that is arithmetic, relational, logical and ternary operators. So let's start. So first of all we will see the list of Python operators. Operator is a symbol that performs certain operations. Python provides the following set of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators. Relational operators are also called comparison operators. Then after logical operators, ternary operators. Ternary operators are also called conditional operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, identity operators, and finally membership operators. In today's lecture, we will see arithmetic, relational, logical, and ternary operators. First of all, we will see arithmetic operators. See, this is the list of arithmetic operators. Plus means addition. It is also used for string concatenation. Minus, that is subtraction. Star, that is multiplication. It is also used for string multiplication. This slash symbol indicates division. This percentage symbol is called modulus, and this double slash is called floor division, and this double star, that is called exponent or power. See, I will make you understand these arithmetic operators with the help of one example. The value of a is 10, value of b equals to 2. Print of a plus b equals to comma a plus b. So what will be the output of this statement? See, we will be having a plus b equals to, and over here a and b will be added and will give us the result of addition. So 10 plus 2, that is 12. So the output of this print statement, that is a plus b equals to 12. Similarly, print of a minus b equals to comma a minus b will give us a minus b equals to 10 minus 2, that is 8. Similarly, print of a into b equals to comma a star b, it will give us a star b, that is equals to multiplication of 10 into, that is 20. Similarly, this print statement will give us the division of a by b, that is 10 by 2. So it will give us the float value 5.0. Now print of a double slash b equals to comma a double slash b. So in this case we will divide just a, that is 10 by 2. So 10 by 2, it will give us the value 5. What is the difference between this slash and this double slash or division or floor division? I will make you understand in the next slide. Print of a modular division b equals to comma a modular division b. So what will be the output of this print statement? So a modular division b, that is equals to, now divide 10 by 2. So the answer is 5, but the remainder is 0. So the modular division will give us the remainder on dividing a by b. Now print of a double star b equals to comma a double star b. Now what a double star b will be? It will give us 10 raised to 2, and 10 raised to 2, that is 100. Division operator always performs floating point arithmetic. Hence, it will always return float value. In the earlier example, we have divided 10 by 2. So the result is 5.0. Always keep in mind that the slash operator performs floating point arithmetic. But floor division, that is this one, can perform both floating point and integral arithmetic. If arguments are integer type, then the result is integer type. For example, if you divide 10 by 2, you will get 5 only, because 10 and 5 both are integer type. If at least one argument is float type, then the result is float type. For example, if I will divide 10.0 by 2, the result is 5.0. We can use plus star operators for str type also. If we want to use plus operator for str type, then compulsory both arguments should be str type only. Otherwise, we will get error. How? I will just make you understand with the help of example. See, here is the example. See, here Arman is a string because I have written Arman in double quotes plus 10. So it will give us type error. And what is that? That is must be str not int. This value should be string only. Then after Arman plus 10. See, here both are string. So the plus operator will add these two string and will give us the output as Arman 10. If we use star operator for str type, then compulsory one argument should be int and other argument should be str type. For example, if I will write down in this way 2 star Arman, Arman is the string, or first I will write down the string Arman and then after star 2. In both the cases the output will be Arman, Arman. It means if we will write down Arman star 2, so it will give us the Arman 2 times. If I will write down Arman star 3, so it will give us Arman 3 times in this way. But if I will just write down in this way, that is 2.5 star Arman, it will give us type error, and that is can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float. Here we must have an int value. If I will write down Arman into Arman, see both are string, again it will give us an error, that is type error, can't multiply sequence by non-int of type str. Now we will see relational operators. See, this is the list of relational operators. This indicates greater than, this one is less than, this one is greater than or equal to, this one is less than or equal to, this one is equal to, and this one is not equal to. These are various relational operators. Now we will see one example based on relational operators. Here I have taken a equals to 10, b equals to 20. So what will be the output of this print statement? See, here a greater than b is, that will be same, and then after it will check whether a is greater than b or not. See, here the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. So is 10 greater than b? No. So the output is false. Similarly, for this print statement, a is greater than or equals to b. So definitely 10 is not greater than or equals to b. So its output is false. Now for this print statement, the value of a is 10 and b is 20 and 10 is less than 20. So it's true. So the output is a less than b is true. Now for this print statement, a less than or equals to b, definitely the value of a is less than 20. So the output is a less than or equals to b is true. We can apply relational operators for str and bool types also. How? I will just make you understand with the help of example. A equals to Arman, b equals to Arman. Both are strings. Print a greater than b is a greater than b. So what will be the output of this print statement? Now you can see here both the strings are same. So definitely a is not greater than b. So the output is a greater than b is false. Now print a less than or equals to b is comma a less than or equals to b. So definitely it will check Arman is less than or equals to Arman or not. So definitely Arman equals to Arman. So the output is true. Now print true greater than or equals to true. See, true means 1. So again here the value is 1. So 1 is greater than 1 or equals to 1. So definitely 1 is equals to 1. So the output of this print statement is true. Now print of 10 greater than true. True means 1. So 10 is greater than 1? Yes. So the output of this print statement is true. Similarly, print of false greater than true. False means 0 and true means 1. So is 0 greater than 1? No. So the output of this print statement is false. Chaining of relational operator is also possible. In the chaining, if all comparisons returns true, then only result is true. If at least one comparison returns false, then the result is false. Here 10 is less than 20, yes, so the output is true. 10 less than 20, less than 30, definitely this is true, so the output is true. Now 10 less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, definitely this is also true, so the output is true. Now 10 less than 20, 20 less than 30, 30 less than 40. Is 40 greater than 50? No. So the output of this one is going to be false. We can apply equal to and not equal to operators for any type, even for incompatible types also. See, 10 equals to 20. Is 10 equals to 20? No. So the output of this statement is false. 10 is not equals to 20. Definitely this is true. So the output in this case is true. Is 10 equals to true? No. So the output in this case, that is false. Is false equals to false? Yes. So the output in this case is true. Is a string Arman equals to Arman? Yes. So the output is true. Chaining concept is applicable for equal to operators also. If at least one comparison returns false, then the result is false. Otherwise, the result is true. Here you can see that 10 equals to 20 equals to 30 equals to 40. This is not true. So the output in this case is false. Now 10 equals to 10 equals to 10 equals to 10. Definitely this is true. So the output in this case is true. Now we will see logical operators. We can apply logical operators, and the logical operators are AND, OR, and NOT for all types. First of all, we will see the logical operators for Boolean types behavior. See, this is the AND logical operator. If both arguments are true, then only result is true. In case of OR logical operator, if at least one argument is true, then the result is true. NOT logical operator, it will give us the complement of a given number. 1 will be changed to 0 and 0 will be changed to 1. So here is the example. See, true and false. In case of AND logical operator, if any one is false, here it is false, the result is false. Now true or false. In case of OR logical operator, if any one is true, the result is true. Here we have true, so the result is true. Now in case of NOT logical operator, if we will apply NOT on false, the result is true. If we will apply NOT on true, the result is false. Now we will see logical operators for non-Boolean types behavior. Always keep in mind 0 means false, non-zero means true. Empty string is always treated as false. Now what will be the result of x and y? If x is evaluates to false, returns x, otherwise return y. For example, see 10 and 20. So first of all check whether this x is false or not. See, 10 is a non-zero number. So non-zero number, that will always give you the true value, right? So here x is not false. So it will return the value y. So the output of 10 and 20, what is that? 20. Now 0 and 20. So what will be the output of this statement? See, here x is 0 and it is false. So whenever x evaluates to false, it returns x. So the output in this case, that is 0. If first argument is 0, then result is 0, otherwise result is y. See, here the first argument is 0, so the result is 0. Here the first argument is not 0, so the result is 20. Just keep in mind in this way. Now what about x or y? If x evaluates to true, then result is x, otherwise result is y. For example, see, in case of 10 or 20, 10 is true because it is a non-zero number. So the result of 10 or 20, that is 10. Now 0 or 20, see, 0 is false. So the result is 20. Now not x, if x is evaluates to false, then the result is true, otherwise it is false. For example, not of 10. 10 is a non-zero number. So not of non-zero number, it will give you false, and not of 0, it will always give you true. Now we will see ternary or conditional operators. So this is the syntax of ternary operators or conditional operators, that is x equals to first value, then after if condition, else second value. If condition is true, then first value will be considered, else second value will be considered. How? I will just make you understand with the help of example. See, a comma b equals to 10 comma 20. So here the value of a is 10 and b is 20. Now here we have applied ternary operator. X equals to 30 if a is less than b, else 40. Now check whether a is less than b or not. See, the value of a is 10 and 10 is less than 20. So definitely the first value will be considered, that is 30. So print of x will give us the output as 30. You can check the output of the various program in any of the editors like PyCharm or VS Code. In today's lecture we have seen arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and finally ternary or conditional operators. And we have seen various examples based on these topics. Thank you for watching this video.